Hey, what's up, guys? Innocent here. I hope it's safe and it's still okay to say Happy New Year. Right. Welcome to 2026. First of all, I want to say thank you for your continuous support over for the channel over the years. It's been a while. It's been a while. You saw me here. It's been a while. You saw a tutorial. I think it's been almost like 2 months now since we created a tutorial or something like that. But yeah, that is why I'm here to give you this quick update. I don't want this video to be very long. I hope I don't talk too much also. So first off, thank you once again. And this is just a quick wrap up of what happened in 2025 and what you should expect 2026. And yeah, I know it's already middle of January and I'm now doing a 2025 wrap. So I hope you'd understand by the end of this video. Now, 2025 was an amazing year. It was kind of a mixed feeling year, right? The first 6 months or the first part of the year was amazing. Creating content, traveling around Ghana, doing my 9 to 5 job. It was amazing. However, the latter part, the last few months of 2025 wasn't the best. Right. Something happened. And I hope that one day I'll have the courage and the audacity, one of the themes of 2026, to really speak about it. But the last few months of 2025 wasn't the best, especially getting sick during the festive season. So it tells you I didn't really end 2025 like that really great. But then also I personally feel like that is not an enough excuse to not be showing up or not be updating you guys. But I hope you guys would understand from my perspective. Creators are just humans like you are, and sometimes we have our downside, we have our low moments, and the thing is sometimes you can't just share everything that is happening. And that is probably why sometimes we just go away, we just ghost you guys. It's not really intentional. But the good thing is that these low moments, these bad days, these days that you don't want to show up, it's also a moment to reflect and to think about a whole lot of things and to restructure, reposition yourself and become like a much better version of yourself. And I personally feel like these last few months of 2025, of all the things that happened, it's really taught me some things, and I'm carrying that into 2026, and hopefully it reflects on this page or on this channel, right? But even to a more important point, the last few days of 2025, December, I felt sick. Prior to that, in November, I decided to post short content. 2025 was mostly short content. I didn't do a lot of long form in 2025. So I was posting more short content on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, TikTok, and then Facebook Reels. So I decided to post from November, 1st of November throughout the year. I did about 26 in November. I couldn't complete 30 in November. And in December, it was a really tight month. I overstressed myself. And when it was time to enjoy the Christmas, I was forced to take a break. I was sick. I felt sick. All right. And it may sound funny, but sometimes the body just forces you to rest when you decide not to. Okay, so I think I was stressed, I overworked, and I was forced to rest. So I was sick for a while, and that is why probably you've not seen a video on this channel in almost 3 weeks. That's not happened since 2019. But yeah, that was what was happening behind the scenes. So yeah, I just wanted to come here to just update you guys that I'm back, and it wasn't really intentional that I left you here stranded like that. No tutorials, no updates, nothing. But then also, before the whole becoming sick brouhaha, I had the opportunity to travel to Benin for the first time, and I learned a couple of things: color theory. I learned about art, about culture, and how it fits into the design spectrum. So I'll be sharing that with you very soon. And yes, I have a couple of things in place, but most importantly, 2026, I just don't want to create, I want to build, right? I want to build with you guys. I want you to, sometimes the creator space gets so lonely, but the community is there for you, right? Somewhere 2025, I did a TikTok live, and yes, some of you came up and you were bashing me that the community it's not really engaging, and I admit that because sometimes it feels overwhelming. There are a lot going on with you, with life, with work, and with content creation. So sometimes it's not just like you don't care or you don't want to grow your community, but it's just life that happens, right? But this year I want to be intentional about building, getting more engaged with the community, and also I really would love your input as how to go about this. I've tried this a couple of times, but it just doesn't work my way. But I feel you are part of the community, so what do you honestly think is the way forward that we can build this community? Also, I would genuinely love a feedback about what you think about this channel. That said, I would want to reiterate that this channel focuses on three main themes, right? So design, tech, and filmmaking. Sometimes when I post something that is not design related or that is not tutorial related, I get comments and questions on, oh, I didn't subscribe for this. I came to the channel. Yes, I understand you came to the channel for graphic design. You came to the channel probably because of a tutorial, but the channel has a theme, the three things that I've mentioned. So if you see me post something that is not non-design related, you should understand that the channel is not entirely around design. There is tech and there is the drone videos, the cinematic type of videos as well. So yeah, I hope you do understand, and I hope I answered that question of why posting tutorials and why you're not doing tutorials anymore. There are a lot of tutorials that I covered. I mentioned in one of my videos that sometimes it gets boring, really really boring, having to create tutorials over and over again. So I hope you guys understand and you start to appreciate the new form of content that is coming. But I really would want to hear your input or your thoughts about this channel. What do you think we can do to, I'm saying we because I'm talking to the community, right? So I really, if you come across this video, I really would want your input. Yes, so we're back 2026. I hope that this year is more fruitful for us. This year brings more opportunity and we get to learn, grow together as a community this year 2026. I wish us all the best, the community. I wish us all the best. Let's continue to support, let's continue to share the videos and be part of this big community. Yeah, so that's basically it, guys. It was just an update, a quick update for you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch till the end of this video. See you guys in the coming videos. It's Innocent here, and bye.